last, here comes the day that we actually start putting the car together. So I just made a parts run, not really a parts run, but a more like get things together run for the Eagle here. And just got new wipers for it, which, yeah, big whoop, it needs them. It does. Got those just because I needed them. Got coolant and antifreeze. Well, coolant and oil because probably gonna run it once or twice and drain it. Make sure everything else was out of it, and yeah, make sure it's all cleaned up inside and out. I still have the valve cover to paint, but that'll be a tomorrow project. Tonight though, going on. So we got the head assembled and got everything else ready. I'm working on the intake manifold because throttle body's done. So yeah, they're getting the injectors put together and the injector over.
We're clear. Nothing feels bad. We got compression. No valve noise.
I can't hear nothing.
Okay.
I can't.
We're set. Everybody take a breathe in though. Windows aren't going down.
Oh.
Well, that was anticlimactic.
Yeah, that fucking happened fast.
Is it because that isn't bolted down?
No.
There's not some ground on it? No.
Hey. Hey. Hold the key.
Trying to.
Is that the ignition level?
Yeah.
That's the ignition level.
Just say what it does, man.
I don't know, I got a little church symbol, so I don't know what the fuck it means.
You got a church symbol?
I'm not even kidding you. It looks like a church symbol.
Let me see.
Rub it up on the shelf there. On the toolbox.
Yeah, dude, go ahead. Turn it over, see what it does. I got this plug pulled. I think it's for. Got a flashlight? Hold on.
Yeah.